Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, October 6th. Real quick video here. El Pollo Loco, volatility squeeze. This is a new issue. If it's going to conform to the IPO trading strategy that I have, then we really need to see this thing get above the high here of 41.70. It's a ways below that on a percentage basis. What? About 10%. We can play this or trade this before it hits that. I look at this, the way this stock is trading, and it just looks like it's trading pretty, in a pretty nice, quote, bullish channel, 3 days up in a row. I would suggest, real simple, as long as the stock stays above this level, which is about 10%, you're okay. If you're buying the stock now, though, I wouldn't even want to sit and wait for this to be, in other words, I wouldn't want to, if you own the stock right now and then it starts to pull back, I wouldn't wait here for the stock to be, clear down here, fall 10% before you get stopped out. Instead, set a pretty tight stop, say just below the 20-period moving average, maybe below today's intraday low of 36.15. So we'll call it not 36, but 35.97. But I would want to have a pretty tight stop on this. And then if the stock starts trading above the upper Bollinger Band, then I would want to be buying more. So you're actually bracketing this pretty well. If the stock breaks out above there, you're good to go, and I think you're going to get a really nice trade going. If you are not long, you can effectively do the same thing and buy some stock right now, a small position in anticipation of a breakout. If the stock trades down, then you're stopped out of your small position, and that's okay. That's trading. If you choose not to do that, then sit and wait a little bit more. Hopefully the stock will pull back. If it does, that's when you want to buy it because you're buying it closer to this stop. Your final scenario is this: to sit around and do nothing, and once the stock breaks out above the upper Bollinger Band, that's when you take your first position in anticipation of the breakout. So there's a few different ways to be trading this stock. The most important thing to remember is when you are trading this stock, just make sure you know how much you're going to lose. If you don't know how much you're going to lose, then you're going to lose more than you know. Trust me.